In this video, we're going to cover important updates for the SundaeSwap ISO. In a previous video, I stated I was going to make a tutorial how to stake Cardano in order to receive SundaeSwap tokens, but I realized that when that time arrives, it will be too late. This project is more popular than I thought, and it is very likely that this pool will be saturated very quickly. So we need to prepare today. And many of you have asked for a heads up. This is the heads up, so pay attention. And with that being said, let's get into the content. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange that's going to launch on Cardano. And like all new projects, they need to raise money. And the way they're going to do it is with an ISO, an initial stake pool offering. What's going to happen is that you are going to stake your Cardano in their pool. And instead of you receiving the Cardano staking rewards, they're going to receive those staking rewards because they need to raise money. And in return, you're going to get SundaeSwap tokens instead. And when you look at this project, you think it's free money. It's not free money. There always is risk. The risk here is that you're giving up your Cardano staking rewards. And in the beginning, it is going to be 100% of the rewards, right? You stake your Cardano, it earns staking rewards. And instead of you getting those rewards, SundaeSwap will get those rewards, right? They're raising money. And in return, you'll get SundaeSwap tokens. And the risk here is, number one, maybe you don't get anything in return, which I don't think will be the case. But the real risk is that instead of your staking rewards from Cardano, you get SundaeSwap tokens, and SundaeSwap tokens are a flop. But that's not what people are hoping for, right? They're hoping they get these SundaeSwap tokens, and it does very, very well. But overall, this type of fundraising model is very low risk relative to the other ways of raising money in crypto. And always remember, in crypto, there's no free lunch. Everything carries a risk. But like I said, this one has lower risk. Why? Because you are not giving up your initial capital. With Cardano, you are only staking your delegation rights, but you still get to hold on to your Cardano. In this case, what you're risking are the Cardano rewards. Also, this model is better than some of those other models out there, such as a private sale, which is exclusive to a few people. This process is much more democratic. Anyone can participate, you, me, us, and they will be, as they say, distributing the rewards fairly. But this is going to be a little tricky because there are going to be whales in play who will be staking more Cardano, meaning they will get more of the pool. And they claim they have their mechanisms to defend this from happening, but this is really, really hard to do. There likely will be, like I said, whales that jump in. The pool will be saturated. This is why I'm making this video for you guys right now, because by the time it's actually live, it probably will be too late. And when is it launching? May 25th. This is going to be here very, very soon. And I would recommend that you do not wait until May 25th or even May 24th to prepare. Because as we know, when you send Cardano or really any cryptocurrency off an exchange to a wallet, it can take 2, 3, 4 days. So let's say right now you have Cardano on an exchange that you want to stake for the SundaeSwap ISO. I would recommend you get on it as early as possible and probably no later than this Friday, the 21st. If you wait until like the 24th or even the 25th, your funds might take 2, 3, 4 days to send. Also, this is assuming that you already have settled funds on an exchange. If right now today you go ahead and you buy crypto from an exchange with a ACH transfer, it's going to take maybe like 4 to 5 days just for it to settle, and then you can send it off the exchange. So be prepared. Don't wait for May 25th. Get ready right now to send your crypto off the exchanges. Maybe you already have it off the exchanges and you already saved the step. Now, in terms of receiving the SundaeSwap tokens, the rewards, when will be the first payout? It will be on June 14th, right? So if you start staking your Cardano on May 25th, the first day, the first rewards will be paid out on June 14th. And the reason is because it's going to be paid out after 3 epochs. In Cardano, in the ecosystem, 1 epoch is about 5 days. So 3 epochs will come out to be at about June 14th. Also, I do want to say that if you're newer to crypto, do not be surprised if this does not actually launch on May 25th. And also don't be surprised if it does launch on May 25th, if there are issues as soon as it is launched. Crypto is known to have delays and issues. I've been part of it too many times, excited for certain drops or certain events or releases, and then it's delayed or there's a problem, the website goes down. So just be prepared for that to happen. And how will the rewards be calculated? It's simple. The more Cardano that you stake, the more SundaeSwap tokens you will receive as a reward. And like I said, it is not without risk. Yes, you get to keep your initial capital of Cardano, but you are risking your staking rewards, right? If things go south. Even they say over here, this ISO is a big experiment and we don't really know how successful it's going to be. Also, they can change. For now, they're going to take 100% of the Cardano staking rewards, and instead you will get SundaeSwap tokens, but they can switch this up. They mention if the ISO is dramatically outperforming our budget for the first year, we will lower our pool fees so that our delegators get a mixture of ADA and Sunday. So instead of them taking 100%, maybe they take 75, 25%, split it up. So this is how it will play over the long run, but for now, it is probably going to be 100% of your rewards, right? So if SundaeSwap is a total flop and nothing comes of it, you got rid of all of your Cardano staking rewards, you got this worthless token. But the hope is that it doesn't play out this way. The hope is that Sunday is very, very successful and you become very, very profitable with these SundaeSwap tokens. Again, how will the rewards be distributed? On a 3 epoch log, about 15 days. And then this is very, very important what I'm about to tell you. A lot of people have been wondering how little, how much do I have to stake? Well, to actually get those first rewards on June 14th, you'll have to delegate enough ADA to earn at least 60 SundaeSwap tokens. That works out to be roughly 2,500 ADA. This is more than $5,000, and a lot of you watching are not going to be staking this much Cardano, so you won't be getting the payout until you get 60 SundaeSwap tokens. So let's say you have less than 2,500 ADA to stake. When will you get your rewards? If not, you will continue to accumulate Sunday until you reach this threshold, at which point you will be paid out. So if you're starting with under 2,500 ADA, you will have to continue staking it until you get 60 to get paid out. But let's say you're someone who will never earn 60 ADA through this. Let's say you're starting off with only 500 ADA or 700 ADA, and you have no plans to ever accumulate enough to get 60 SundaeSwap tokens. Well, what's gonna happen to you? You will get paid out, but you will have to wait. Once smart contracts launch on the mainnet, we will change our distribution mechanism. Once this happens, there will be no minimum balance before you can withdraw, so long as you're willing to pay the transaction fees. So in this case, let's say you have under 2,500 ADA to stake, and you're not going to reach this minimum 60 SundaeSwap earned threshold, you're gonna have to wait for smart contracts. And when are smart contracts going to be live? They think, or the Cardano ecosystem believes, maybe by summer, right? Maybe by July, August, but it could be even longer than that. So during that time that you're staking your Cardano, you are forfeiting your Cardano staking rewards. Remember, there's always some risk, but when you compare it to other models in crypto, it is very low risk. So yes, you can start off with a small amount, but you won't be seeing those rewards for quite a long time. And again, even they state first a disclaimer, all investments are risky. So just remember that when you get into the crypto space and you do these types of offerings. And also, probably the most common question that I get is, which wallets can I use? They have confirmed Daedalus, Yoroi, and Adalite. And a lot of you are gonna have questions. What about this wallet, that wallet? The answer is, I don't know. This is all I know. Daedalus, Yoroi, Adalite, all those other wallets. The answer to that is, I don't know. And it's gonna be simple. You create a wallet, you send Cardano to the wallet, and you stake it. And all you're going to need is their pool ticker. But at the moment, it is not provided. When it is provided, they will release it. They'll probably put it on their Twitter. You'll go ahead and you will stake your Cardano. And right now, guys, I would recommend that you go ahead and follow their Twitter, keep the notifications on, because when the time comes, they will release the pool ticker. Also, if you don't get a notification, just go to their Twitter the day before May 25th. Look it up, they will show it. 3 steps, guys, it's simple. Create a wallet. Yoroi is the easiest. Send Cardano to the wallet. Then go over here to delegation list. You search the pool ticker. It will show up over here. and you delegate. That's it, 3 steps. Create a Yoroi wallet. I will leave a link down below for a tutorial how to create one. Number 2, send Cardano to the wallet. Number 3, go to the delegation list, find the ticker, and delegate your Cardano. And also, I wanted to clear up some confusion. When people look at the staking list, they see over here the fees, the cost, 340 plus 1%, right? 340 plus 2.5%. And people get scared and they're like, I'm not paying 340 Cardano to join this pool. This is not what's going on. Really what's going on is they're gonna take 340 Cardano total from the whole entire pool. This is not a fee that you are paying alone. So this pool is going to receive delegated Cardano staking rights, and then from the rewards, they're gonna take 340 plus a percentage. And this is pretty standard. If you go down this list, 340 plus 2.5, 340 plus 2, 340 plus 1.5. So you're not paying 340 Cardano yourself, right? This is the whole entire pool. As a collection, overall, the fees to delegate your staking rights are pretty cheap. And scrolling down through the list, again over here, when is the ISO? May 25th. Like I stated, there could be issues, there could be crashes when it's launched, but you need to start preparing today. Also very important, many people wonder, is there a minimum? Yes, you need to stake at least 10 Cardano. This is not a rule for SundaeSwap. This is a rule for Cardano in general. You need at least 10 ADA to stake. So I think you guys have most of the important information. You need to start preparing today, create your wallet, send Cardano to the wallet, earlier the better. And then number 3, just be on the lookout for the pool ticker symbol. It will likely be on their Twitter account. So those 3 steps, you're ready to go, you will stake it. The pool probably will become saturated very quick. So you need to be on top of this right away. Hopefully you guys get a good percentage share of the pool, make some money, and SundaeSwap is a success. So that is something we'll have to see play out over the next few months. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.